Good evening and welcome to Data Center. In our previous class, we considered different techniques on how to navigate a Google Sheet and then how to edit a cell, a column, a rows. Today, we'll be proceeding on data visualizations. We're looking at different charts and graphs. We're looking at how to use conditional formatting. Okay, in our class today, there's how to build the sales performance dashboard, and that's after that you should be able to do all this. So let's open our browser and locate our Google Sheet. Ensure that you log in with your Gmail account. Okay, so we have this. This is what we'll be working on in our previous class, XYZ 2025 budgets. Okay, so log into your email. Let's just quickly refresh. Then you see it at the menu bar, this three dots in three places, that is 9, Google Apps. Click on it and then you see Google Sheets. Right, click on it and then you'll be taken to this environment. You locate if you saved your work, previous work should be there. Click on it, then you should have this. So without hesitation, we want to quickly add selling price. This person had the items, the quantity, the price per items, and the total. Okay, now we want to add the selling price there. And then we want to add profit here. Okay, and then for this, we want to quickly add something here. Let's quickly format this. I'll select, then go to your formats, then go to conditional formatting, then let's remove the, we have this, let's remove this. Okay, so we have this. We click on add rules. Okay, I'm clicking add rules is selected. Now what I want to add is multiple colors, so we click on color scale. Now for color scale, we want to check where do we have the minimum profit and where do we have the maximum profit per item. Okay, so I'm going to do this for the minimum value. I'm going to use this. For the maximum value, I'm going to maintain my green. Okay, all right, so we have that. Now for my selling price, I want to format this to be dollars currency. Okay, done. Got do this to format currency. All right, let's quickly add a value to this. Okay, you can just type in okay, that's all right. And then we're gonna have the equation now. That is selling price minus the cost price. Enter. Okay, this is 0 because that is the first item we are having. Let's drag down. Okay, you can see we have this 200 as the maximum, then 0 as where we have the minimum. And if you look through colors, we have 30 followed by 50, 50, then 100 and 200. Okay, now we want to get the total for these. Okay, but before that, we want to format this. Let's quickly remove all this. Okay, so let's get the total, and by adding formula. Okay, we'll go to format, conditional formatting. Okay, and this is it. What we're saying here is that when go to this greater than, okay, we want to know we are making profit or not. Okay, when this is greater than, enter equal to, because we want to perform cell reference, that is C10. This is it, C10. So let's type in here C10. Okay, when it is C10, when it is greater than C10, that is this, the selling price is greater than the cost price, meaning that we are making profit. Click on done. Then let's add another rule. Now this time around, we want to include that when it is less than or equal to, less than or equal to, okay, equal to C10, we are not making profits. Okay, so we use color red. We are not making profits. Where do we click? Oh, apologies please. Apologies please. Emphasis. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. That was not what we're working on. That's not what we're working on. So let's click on this. Okay, so let's come to format. I want to clear the formatting. Okay, clear formats. Okay, so now yes, we can continue here. Come to format. We click on conditional formatting. So we have one already there. So we want to add another one now. Okay, and we're saying when this is less than or equal to C10. Okay, let it be color red. Okay, so you have E10, you have C10. Okay, and done. Okay, we're done with that. Then let's quickly add for these two. Go to format. I'm adding this so that it can tally. All right, I'll go to conditional formatting. That is for C10. Okay, then we're checking if it is greater, is greater than E10. If it is greater than E10 means we are running at loss. Okay, add another rule. Okay, if C10 is less than no, it's not equal to, it will be less than E10, meaning that there's profit here. Okay, profits. Okay, all right, so we have this for it. Value is greater than E10, value is less than E10. All right, so we are in here together. So let's just add this then. Here we got to sum. Okay, then let's selecting this no close. Okay, you can see, is this greater? It's greater than this, so meaning that we are making profits. Let's adjust one of the variables. Let's change this to 500. Okay, you can see, meaning that we're running at loss. Let's check this. Something wrong with this. That is when this is greater than this. Let's see. Let's change it to greater or equal to. Okay. Then when value is less than 10, let's check. It's less than E10. Okay. Let's check again. Okay. So I want to do one more here, one more editing. That is for this. So we said, okay, so try to remove this since it's not responding. You can try it at your own end. Definitely should be able to respond. Probably is my network. So we have this. The next thing I'd love to show us is how to insert charts. Let's pick from here. Okay, then you go to your insert. Then you go to your charts. Once you click on charts, automatically the Google Sheets will recommend the best charts for you. I've used this previously. That's why it's coming with gauge. But if you click on this chart here, look at it. We have this. You can see different charts. It's using waterfall charts. Okay. You have this. Okay. You have this is bar charts. Okay, so and you can do as much as possible. You have different charts here. You have the line charts, you have the area charts, you have the column charts, you have the pie charts, you have the scatter plots, you have the map, you have other. Okay, and look at it as much as possible. If you want your KPI, let's call card charts, it's candlestick. Okay, tree map, rational charts. All right, so this is the radar table charts. Okay, you can see. So you can play with as much as possible of your charts. Of this. Okay, and you can customize the chart here. Okay, the chart style, do you want it? The background is right there. You can change. You can see. Okay, so let's change it to none. Okay, then border, can add border, theme, layout. Okay, so then we have can maximize. You see, then you can set the chart axis and title. Okay, so those things can be fit in here. This is your chart editor where you can change the chart style, and then if you're adding aggregate, fine. Okay, just click and then you can add. Okay, so basically that's how we're going to stop today. So I want you to please practice conditional formatting and how to insert charts on it. You will enjoy it. Alright, when you're done doing that, I want you to answer this exercise for me in the comment box. Can you perform a bar chart, gauge chart, pie charts using Google Sheets? Answer with yes or no. Alright, can you freeze your other panel in Google Sheets? Can you perform conditional formatting? Please do well to respond. I will be checking your response in the dialog box. Thank you for listening. Let's meet same time and same venue.